you're aware of the orbit shifting changes that the BFSI industry has seen in the past couple of years. And these changes require BFSI organizations to have agility and customer centricity within their organizational DNA. And this would also require them to redefine themselves in terms of the processes, operations, and the approach they have towards digital transformation. So, how do you see this evolving in the asset management industry, and what are some of the initiatives that are underway to meet the changing expectations of the customers?
It is important that fintech adapts to the technology advancements and incorporates innovative tools to give a competitive edge. The future of investing, the way I see it is, it will largely depend upon how quickly AMCs, asset management companies, NBFCs, and brokerage houses adapt to these particular changes.